over the last few years. I was very focused on the technology and how it's going to change the world for property rights and ownership. And I thought, oh man, we're going to do amazing things with this. And then generative art NFTs came out. And I'm like, nobody's going to use that. That's not going to happen. And I remember I spent a couple years a little bit mad. Like, why are we using the battery bank of this to hammer in a nail? And so I'm sitting here thinking, like, we're not using this to the full potential. But something that developed and that I learned over the last few years was, like, that was about community. It was about aligning incentives more than anything. Like, sure, we can solve some technical problems. But like I said earlier, we can solve these same technical problems with web2 technology. But what we're really solving is an incentive alignment problem. And that's what got me really excited. And even with meme coins, I was joking this morning about meme coins. I'm like, I don't get meme coins. It took me forever to get NFTs. But the reality is like, we're aligning the incentives of communities. Whether we agree with how it's being used or not is a different thing. That's what web3 is about, is how do we push the technology to the edge, which is where the DPIN stuff comes in. And more importantly, how do we align the incentives of all the stakeholders in that ecosystem? So whether you're the IP owner and you have a potential recurring revenue stream, or you're a consumer and you want to participate in that ecosystem, or you're some type of provider if you're hosting nodes or storing content, all of those people are economically incentivized to keep that technology going.